Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, MQ-9B. Will this help escalate its own HALE UAV program? India hopes. India's journey towards developing an indigenous unmanned air vehicle program has encountered its fair share of challenges over the past 2 decades. However, recent developments indicate a turning point as the country makes significant strides in UAV capabilities with the introduction of programs like MALE, Tapas and Archer NG, and plans to develop high-altitude, long-endurance class UAVs. India is poised to make substantial progress with the support of American defense contractor GA. Next, will IAF rekindle its interest in Avenger Drones? India's pursuit of stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle has faced obstacles in recent years, particularly concerning the acquisition of US-made Predator C Avenger drones. Despite India's interest in purchasing these advanced drones, concerns from the Missile Technology Control Regime and the US Congress have posed challenges to the sale. Next, India reschedules NOTAM for ballistic missile test. This will be done in the Bay of Bengal for the period from 1st July. Original NOTAM was issued on 21st and 22nd June, but that is now changed. Next, India's probably first nation to get MQ-9B Reaper drones from the US. India and US inked a $3 billion deal for 31 high-altitude, long-endurance UAVs, of which the Navy will get 15 Sea Guardian drones, while the Army and the Indian Air Force will get 8 each of the land version. Next, PM Modi's visit to take relationship to the next level. US firm Lockheed Martin feels that. Describing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to the US as truly historic, Indian Vice President of Lockheed Martin, William Blair, said that it is going to take the relationship between the two nations to the next level. Next, PM Modi to visit memorial for Indian soldiers during Egypt visit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his first visit to Egypt beginning on Saturday, will pay tribute to the brave Indian soldiers who fought and lost their lives in Egypt and Palestine during World War I. Next, first Made in India chip to be rolled out by December 2024. First Made in India chips are expected to be rolled out by December 2024, Union Minister for Communication and IT Ashwini Vaishnav said on Friday. Next, US media covers PM Modi's state visit with focus on tech defense deals. Leading American newspaper highlighted Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first state visit to the US with prominent coverage, including reports on technology and defense agreement signed between the two countries. In a full-page coverage inside the Washington Post, the paper notes in Prime Minister's address before Congress, Modi puts his focus on growth. Next, Center eases norms for export of drones meant for civilian use. The government on Friday eased norms for the export of certain categories of drones meant for civilian end uses with a view to facilitate the outbound shipments of high-tech items. Thank you.